Well, guys, today I'll show you how to create your webhook with make.com. But before watching, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for make.com tutorials. So, looking at your make.com account, head over to the left side bar, you find the webhooks link, click on it. This will get you to this page. Click on purpose here to start building your webhook. So here, just click on the plus button, select the tool that you want to create your webhook with. For example, Google Sheets, select the event, add a row, and you can click on create connection here. So you have to connect your account that is related to your Google Sheets. And you can also here click on add module plus button to create a second tool for your webhook. For example, select table, select your event, and here it is, guys. You connect your table to Google Sheets, and you created a full webhook workflow. Don't forget to connect your Google account that is really related to Google Sheets. The same for table, you must connect your table account here. Well, this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.